So you want to sell ebooks that you didn't even write and earn thousands of dollars from them? It's possible. In this video, I'm going to show you the process that I use to upload PLR books online so that people buy them and what platforms to use to make the most money. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get to it. And heads up, this is a continuation of this video where I already explained PLR books and how to obtain them. So if you haven't seen that video, you might be a little lost on this one. So you might want to check it out and come back. You can find the link in the description below this video. But if you already know what PLR books are and how to get them, then continue watching this and let's get to it. Okay, so here's option number one for posting and selling a PLR book. So honestly, this is the easiest way to do it. It's a Shopify store. So as some of you already know, I have a Shopify store. It's called the Nikki Connected Toolkit. I'll actually show it to you in a little bit, but that is the main way that I sell my PLR books. And the way that it works is you can open a Shopify store. And as you can see, like at this moment, they have a 3-month trial where you can pay only $1 a month for the Shopify store. There's an app inside that I use where I can list my ebooks for free. Okay, so let me show you how to do this. So the first thing that you would need to do is set up your Shopify store. They have so many different instructionals and stuff on how to set up your Shopify store. So that is something that I'll let you do your research. Okay. So once you have your store set up, you can go to apps. It's on the left-hand side of your Shopify store, and this is on the back end, okay? And then you can type to find apps. So the app that I use is called FileMonk. So this is the app that you would search for. You would search FileMonk in this toolbar. So this is what it looks like when you're actually inside the FileMonk app inside your Shopify store. And this is an instructional video. Like I said, that's why this is the easiest way to do this. They have so many different tutorials and stuff, right? So what you can do is you can take your ebook and you would click files on the left-hand side. So you can upload your file. These are my actual files. And once you have your file uploaded, that's when you can go in and add your descriptions and your images. From here, you can choose a category, the product type, all of that stuff, right? So you do your pricing. You can choose whether or not you'll charge taxes, all that type of stuff. So this is exactly what you need to do to upload your ebook. And once you do upload it, this is what it'll look like. So this is my Shopify store, and I'll show you what the files look like when they're uploaded. So I'm going to scroll on down and boom, this is what it looks like when you are done uploading your stuff. So as you can see, I'll just tap my Strap for Cash guide. So this is what it looks like on the front end. So you have your title, your images, as well as your price, of course, and you have your description. So that's all you need to do to be able to sell your PLR books on Shopify. Like I said, they are having a trial where you can get a Shopify store for 3 months and you only pay $1 per month. And then from there, it's somewhere around like the $30 range. Don't limit yourself. You can sell way more than ebooks on here. That's the other thing. So you can recoup your money every month quite easily by uploading products and listing products on here and uploading ebooks. Okay. So that was your first option. Now, another option to sell your PLR books or your ebooks and get them uploaded online is to sell them on your own website. So I have my blog. This is my blog, nikkiconnected.com. So when you have your own blog, you can easily sell digital downloads by using WooCommerce. So I highly suggest that you get a theme, which is basically like your layout. If you purchase a theme, I got mine from Etsy, but make sure your theme works with selling plugins such as WooCommerce. So you'll literally be able to have a store on your website. So since I have WooCommerce, this is going to be super easy. I can go to products. I'm going to add new, Strapped for Cash Survival Guide. Then I'm going to set my product image. I already have it uploaded. You would do product tags such as make money. So that's good for SEO. For the sake of time, let me go down to the product. I'm going to go to downloadable. My price is $9.99. And you can schedule a sale in here. That's incredible. So now I'm going to go to add file, product description. And if you wanted to add more images, you can add a whole gallery of images there. Just trying to make sure I got everything. You can add a SKU. You can say, for example, if you only want to sell 20 of them, you can do that. Also, you can link to other products. Now I'm going to publish. Okay, so I need to, this is just something with my site. I need to fix this. This has nothing to do with what I just did. But as you can see, the product is here. People can expand it. They can check it out. There's my description. And then if people want to add it to the cart, this is what would happen. So they can add it to the cart. They can purchase it. If you have any coupon codes or anything, you can have them, like allow people to use coupons on your website that will be set within WooCommerce. But yeah, people can check out here. So this is how I have my ebooks on my website. In my previous video, when it came to my ebooks, my PLR books, I actually had a different platform that I was using. I switched over, got this theme that I'm using, and I will link this theme down below. So like if you like the design of the website, you can like tailor it to however you want to, but I will link that Etsy store because I got it on Etsy, believe it or not. So yeah, I was able to like get a whole website and it was much easier. This is probably my fifth or sixth theme that I've used in my blogging years. I hope this was helpful. And now you see how you can have your ebooks available online. So what you just saw was my process for uploading my PLR ebooks and selling them online. There are so many other options out there. And for those of you that made it this far in the video, I want to be able to shout you out. So do me a favor, in the comments, say, I like that, so that I know that you do like this type of content. You like these ways of making money that I'm giving you, and you can get a shout out from me for posting that comment. But with that said, I'm ready to peace out on this video. But if you are looking to get deeper into the PLR hustle, there's something that you need to know. Watch this video to find out. I'll see you on the next one. Bye, y'all. I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and